Hi guys, and welcome to Game Night. I'm Mark, and through a series of videos, we are going to basically be able to show you how to play different games, especially some of the ones that can kind of get a little bit more complicated, and so then people are able to see these before they potentially ever come over or potentially start playing. And basically, in these videos, I'm going to be trying to give you the name of the game, the company that puts out the game, the number of players that can play, which may be actually different than what the box says, if there are different optional things that you can do, and the approximate time of play. That can also vary as well, obviously, and sometimes the box is also wrong in that regards. So, and then I will also try and give a complicated scale in regards to how complicated a game is, so you know before getting into the video what you're getting into a little bit. And I just repeated myself, sort of, but that's okay. Anyway, and then also potentially any complex strategies or basic things to kind of keep in mind as you're doing the video. But for this first time, I've chosen an extremely easy game called 5 Second Rule. Now, 5 Second Rule can be played with 3 or more players, although you definitely can still play this with 2 players, even though the box says 3. Okay? And it is one of the simplest games that I think I've ever seen. And basically, for 5 seconds, and that's about your timer, and that's about 5 seconds. Right? And how this game works is a person draws a card, and then they are going to say name 3. And then underneath that, there's going to be a category. And that category is whatever that is. So then things you do when alone on a Friday night. And then your timer would start, and you would have 5 seconds to state 3 things that you would do alone on a Friday night. If you were able to name 3 things very quickly, then you would be able to collect the card, and basically that's a point. Okay. So then you play for cards, and each one is a point, and then you just basically determine at the beginning of it how many you want to play to. So you can play to 3 cards, you can play to 2 cards, 10 cards, whatever you want to do. And these categories vary from things like James Bond movies to types of cars that start with the letter T. It can be a wide range of anything, and there isn't really a whole lot to the game. But a lot of the great things about the game is that you can play this with very few people or a lot of people, and a lot of people can join in very quickly, even if they happen to come in the middle of the game and understand what's going on. My cat has joined the party, and that's fine. And right now it looks like my cat is winning because she's got the only card in front of her. So, anyway, but that is 5 Second Rule. And it's a great game, and it is very quick and simple to learn, obviously, and works great for parties or just a couple people alone together.